Welcome to Mastering Excel in 10 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, we've got you covered. In this quick training, you'll learn everything you need to navigate Excel like a pro. Let's dive in. First, let's get familiar with the Excel interface. When you open Excel, you'll see the ribbon at the top. This is where all your tools and commands live. We've got tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. For now, let's focus on the basics. The spreadsheet itself is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Each cell has an address, like a 1 or C5. Got it? Good. Let's start with some simple calculations. Excel is great at math, so let's use the sum function. To add up numbers in a column, click on the cell where you want the total, type equals sum, then open a parenthesis. Now, select the cells you want to add, like a 2 through a 6. Close the parenthesis, hit enter, and voila. Excel does the work for you. Next, let's try the average function. It works the same way. To find the average of those numbers, type equals average, open a parenthesis, then select your range of cells. Hit enter and Excel will calculate the average for you. It's that simple. Now that you've got the basics, let's level up a bit with some more complex formulas. Formulas are the heart of Excel, letting you perform all kinds of calculations automatically. Let's say you have a list of revenue and costs, and you want to calculate the net profit for each item. Here's how you do it. Click on the cell where you want your result, then type the equals sign. This tells Excel you're starting a formula. Now, click the revenue cell, which might be B2, then type a minus sign. And then click the cost cell, C2. Your formula looks like this. Equals B2 minus C2. Hit enter, and Excel gives you the result. And the best part? You can drag this formula down for all your other rows, and it will automatically calculate the profit for each one. Okay, so now you have lots of data. But how do you make sense of it all? This is where sorting and filtering come in. These tools will help you manage all that information with just a few clicks. To sort your data, first highlight the entire table. Then, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click either Sort A to Z to arrange it alphabetically or numerically from smallest to largest, or click Sort Z to A for the reverse order. This is super helpful for organizing names, dates, or sales figures. Now let's talk about filtering. Filtering lets you hide data you don't need to see and focus only on what's important. Click anywhere inside your data, go to the Data tab, and click the big Filter button. You'll see that Excel adds a little drop-down arrow to each of your column headers. Now you can click these arrows to filter by text, numbers, or dates to quickly find exactly what you need. For example, you can choose to see sales only from a specific region or from a certain month. Next up is a really cool feature called conditional formatting. It helps make your data stand out by automatically changing the color of cells based on their values. For example, let's say you want to quickly spot all sales that are over $500. First, select the column with your sales data. Then, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, and the menu will pop up. Choose Highlight Cell Rules, and then select Greater Than. A small box will appear. Just type 500 into the box, choose a color like light red or green fill, and click OK. Instantly, any sales over $500 are highlighted. It's a fantastic way to visualize your data without having to manually check every single cell. Alright, let us talk about pivot tables, one of the most powerful tools in Excel for summarizing large data sets. It might sound intimidating, but it's actually quite simple to get started. To create a pivot table, select your entire data set, go to the Insert tab, and click Pivot Table. Excel will automatically suggest the data range for you, so you can just click OK. Now, on the right side of your screen, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields pane. This is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop fields into the rows, columns, values, and filters boxes to organize and summarize your data. For example, you can drag region into the rows box and sales into the values box to see the total sales for each region. It's an amazing way to get insights from your data in seconds. Finally, let's make your data more visual. A chart or a graph is a great way to present your information so that anyone can understand it at a glance. To create one, start by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Then, go to the Insert tab and look at the Charts section. Excel offers many chart types like bar line and pie charts. For example, a bar chart works really well for comparing sales across different regions. Just click on the bar chart icon and Excel will generate the chart for you. You can then customize your chart style, colors, and add titles and labels to make it clear and professional. It's a perfect way to make your reports and presentations more impactful. Awesome! In just 10 minutes, you've learned how to use formulas, sort and filter data, apply conditional formatting, create pivot tables, and even design charts. Excel is a powerful tool, and the more you practice, the easier it'll become. Keep exploring, and soon you'll be an Excel expert. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips. And remember, Excel can seem tricky at first, but with these tools you've got this covered. See you in the next training.